When I'm as old as my father is now, I shall be 6 times as old as my son is now. By then, my son will be 17 years older than I am now. The combined age of my father and myself is 96 years. After how many years will I be twice my son's age? Since this question is a theta one, we will have to solve using equations. So let's say that the current age of my father, myself, and my son. Let's say these ages be X, Y, and Z, right? Now, the first statement says, when I'm as old as my father now, I shall be 6 times as old as my son is now. So from here, we can say that X is going to be 6Z, right? 6 times of my son's age. So when I am going to be as old as father means my age is going to be X. At that time, I'm going to be 6 times my son's age. That is current age, right? Current age is Z. Also, the change in the age will be as in how many years have passed. We can write this as y minus x minus y, right? The difference between my father and my age, or in other words, when I will turn my father's age, this is going to be y plus 17 minus z. Why? Because the time for which I will grow as old as my father is the same time for which my son is also grow old. So what we can do is we can replace x by 6z over here. And we can get 6z minus y is equal to y plus 17 minus z. And this will result in 7z minus 2y is equal to 17. Okay, so let's leave it here. So this is one equation that we have got in z and y. Okay, the next statement says the combined age of my father and myself is 96 years. So father and myself, so that is x plus y is 96. So we know that x is nothing but 6z. So 6z plus y is equal to 96. Now we have two variables and two equations. We need to solve it. So this can be solved by doubling the second equation and adding them. So when we do that, 2y will cancel out. So we will have 7z minus 2y is equal to 17 and 12z plus 2y is equal to 192. So if you are going to add it, we are going to have 19z is equal to 209. So this is going to result in z is going to be 190 plus 19. So this is going to be 11. And if we put the value of z back, so we will have y is equal to 96 minus 66. So that is going to be 30. So we'll get y is equal to 30. Now, if I get z is equal to 11, y is equal to 30, then the question is, after how many years will I be twice my son's age? So suppose after k years, I'm going to be twice of my son's age. So can I say, because my age is 30 right now and my son's age is 11. So can I say after k years, my age is going to be 2 times of my son's age? So we will solve for k, and this is going to be 28, and k is going to be 30 minus 22, right? So k is going to be 8. So 8 is our answer. So we didn't really need the age of my father, because the question asked was a relation between myself and son. So this was good enough. 8 is what we should be putting in theta.